First of all, let's have a look at the calibrator. What we're going to do here is install the battery and actually make it work. Later on, in another section, we'll go through how the calibrator works and how you should use it with your Optimus Plus sound level meter. So the calibrator might be a class 1 or a class 2 calibrator. They both look pretty similar. At the back of the calibrator is a small cover, and you can undo the screw there if you've got a small screwdriver, or what I use, which is quite handy, I use the keys that actually come in the case to lock the case up to undo the little screw there. And then you take your battery, take the small plastic cap off the top, and that inserts, there's some instructions there as to which way to put it. That inserts very neatly inside the calibrator. As soon as you put it in, it'll actually turn on. You'll see the little light there. Turn that off, and then we're going to put the cover back on. And that's how you install a battery in your calibrator. Let's have a look at how to put the batteries in your Optimus Plus sound level meter. On the back of the Optimus Plus is a cover, and you can unscrew that and take it off, and you'll see in here that there is space for 4 AA batteries which come in the case. So if I take those out, they just slot in, and just follow the instructions on the inside of the cover. Pop those batteries in, and then pop your case back on. And then just remember to tighten up this nut. Again, I tend to use the key that comes with it. Just a couple of turns, and it's all done. So the Optimus Plus takes 4 AA alkaline batteries. Or we use a high quality battery. You can use lithium if you wish, and you can use rechargeables in here. But remember, the Optimus Plus doesn't have a recharging circuit. So once they run out of juice, you're going to have to take them out and replace them. So a small tip is to always carry a spare set of 4 batteries with you, so you don't run out of power just when you need to use it.